What if the cheapest flight is hidden in plain sight? Most people get this wrong, but here's why using the right booking platform can save you hundreds. Today, we're reviewing Wengi and what it's really like to use. Wengi is an online flight search and booking platform that compares airlines and routes to help you find lower prices. You enter your travel dates, destination, and it scans multiple airlines. The interface is simple and fast. Results load quickly, and you can filter by price, duration, and number of stops. You won't believe what happens next when you see how much prices vary for the same route. Wengi also offers flexible date tools and price alerts. This helps you book when fares drop. However, final prices depend on the airline, and baggage rules vary. The surprising truth is that Wengi is best used as a comparison tool, not a final decision maker. Always double-check airline terms before booking. Travel smarter and save more. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews.